Presido Buhari don receive briefing on top Mali crisis from Goodluck Jonathan, ECOWAS Special Envoy. Presido Muhammadu Buhari don receive briefing from former Presido Goodluck Jonathan and the Special Envoy on top Mali crisis for State House, Abuja on Tuesday, 18th August 2020. Dr. Jonathan, wey be ECOWAS Special Envoy to the Republic of Mali, na im brief Presido Buhari on top the political kwanta wey dey shele for the West African country, even as West African leaders dey try stabilize am. Una go sabi say Presido Buhari with 4 other ECOWAS leaders don first go Bamako, Mali last month, where dem for do virtual extraordinary summit on top the sub-regional body. Dr. Jonathan, wey dey Mali from Monday to Thursday last week, come yarn Presido Buhari on top all the meeting wey im do with the stakeholders, wey be political and religious leaders, ambassadors of US, France, Russia, Germany, European Union, and other ogbonge people wey fit bring peace and unity for the country. Im yarn say M5, wey be the main opposition group, still dey talk say make Presido Boubacar Keita, wey be the Mali Presido, resign from im position, but ECOWAS no gree with wetin dem dey talk, sake of say na only democratic process dem fit use take do change of power. Former Presido Jonathan yarn say im don already tell dem say no international organization, even if e be African Union or United Nations, go gree for dis thing wey dem dey talk so. E still talk say as dem don reconstitute and inaugurate constitutional court so, come still fill all the vacancies wey e first dey Supreme Court. The judicial arm of government don dey kampe. Presido Buhari come clap and give former Presido Jonathan for the stamina wey im show on top the Mali kwanta, and he advise say make dem still dey do meeting with the chairman of ECOWAS, Presido Mahamadou Issoufou, wey be the Presido of Niger Republic. Dis one na the ogbonge informate wey we don carry come give una on top with tori for today, as Presido Buhari don receive briefing on top Mali crisis from Goodluck Jonathan, ECOWAS Special Envoy. Make una sabi say na TMC TV na im carry dis ogbonge informate come give una, and my name na Oyiza Aboriogun.